Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of CapCut and exploring its incredible artificial intelligence features. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or just starting out, these tools can elevate your content creation game to new heights. So, let's get started. CapCut is not just another video editing app. It's a powerhouse packed with AI-driven features that make editing easier, faster, and more intuitive. One of the standout features is the automatic captioning tool. With just a few taps, CapCut can transcribe your spoken words into text, saving you hours of manual work. This is especially useful for creators who want to make their videos more accessible to a wider audience. Plus, you can customize the font, color, and placement of the captions to match your video's aesthetic. Another impressive AI feature is the Smart Background Removal tool. Imagine being able to isolate your subject from the background with just a click. This tool uses advanced algorithms to detect and separate the foreground from the background, allowing you to create stunning effects or simply replace the background with something more fitting. It's perfect for those who want to add a professional touch to their videos without needing extensive editing skills. CapCut also offers an AI-driven music recommendation system. This feature analyzes the mood and tone of your video and suggests music tracks that complement your content perfectly. Whether you're creating a fun vlog, an emotional story, or an informative tutorial, having the right soundtrack can make all the difference. You can browse through a library of royalty-free music and find the perfect fit for your project in no time. Let's not forget about the AI-enhanced video effects. CapCut provides a variety of filters and effects that can be applied with a single tap. These tools can help you achieve a specific look or feel for your video, whether you want it to be vibrant and energetic or soft and dreamy. The best part? You can preview these effects in real time, allowing you to see how they transform your footage instantly. Lastly, CapCut's AI-powered editing suggestions can help streamline your workflow. As you edit, the app analyzes your clips and offers smart recommendations on transitions, cuts, and even pacing. This feature is a game changer for those who may feel overwhelmed by the editing process, as it guides you toward creating a polished final product without the guesswork. In conclusion, CapCut's artificial intelligence features are designed to empower creators like you. By simplifying complex tasks and enhancing your editing capabilities, these tools allow you to focus on what truly matters, telling your story. We hope you found this overview helpful and inspiring. If you're excited to try out these features, don't hesitate to dive in and start creating. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on video editing. Happy editing, and see you next time.